Welcome back, Curriculum Mappers. This is a follow-up video to my video from yesterday where I demonstrated a technique where I can create a URL of a Google form that has the first two questions already answered, right? So if I visit this URL, I have questions 1 and 2 already populated with the name of the unit and the document ID. And again, this is to reinforce the link between the outcomes that are going to be selected in this form to the actual unit. So that's kind of the end goal. So I'm going to demonstrate, just for kicks, I'm actually going to delete all of these URLs so you can kind of watch what the script does. Just go ahead and do that. I'm going to go up here to the script editor. And I'm going to build the URLs. I'm going to do that. And you'll also notice while that's working is that I've actually opted to build this sheet as an awesome table because that's how we're going to be interacting with the data in this spreadsheet as per the rest of the map as well. It's just a great way to filter data and to get right down to what you need to interact with. So this takes a bit of a time because we do have, let's see, it's making 135 total URLs. So here we go. They've all been added. And again, this is kind of the boring back end of everything, but as a teacher who will be interacting with this data, I'm going to step over to the actual map. So one thing I've changed in our navigation, I've added sub pages under outcomes. So I just hover over outcomes and I can click on arts, and this will load the awesome table for arts outcomes. Now, because we haven't submitted any outcomes, all of these buttons say submit outcomes. But once this is complete and exactly the way I'd want this to happen, this button will change to an edit outcomes button after outcomes have been submitted. Therefore, we're not creating redundant data in the spreadsheet. So as a teacher, I would come in and say, I'm Mr. Perkins. I would find my name, and then I would simply click on this button, and it'll take me to the Google form for that unit and the document ID. I could go in and submit data, right? So that data will be then dropped into this spreadsheet, which will automatically list the URL to edit that particular entry. And then using a conditional argument, I can then modify this button to either be submit outcomes or edit outcomes. So that's kind of where I'm going with it. But I really do love the idea of just filtering by names and being able to click on the submit outcomes button and have it populated with that information. So that's all for today, and I'll continue building this out and sharing. Thanks for watching. Bye.